Hi guys, welcome to Dhan. Our KYC process is really user-friendly and time-saving. You don't have to wait for hours or days to get your KYC verified. In fact, you can get started with your trading and investment journey within minutes. So let me show you how to get started in a few simple steps. Now, if you want to open your Dhan account through web, then this is how you can do it. Search for dhan.co and let's get started. This is how the website looks like. Simply click on login and enter your 10-digit mobile number. Now enter the OTP that has been sent to the mobile number. Now go ahead and enter your email address. You will be asked to verify this through your email by entering the OTP that has been sent or simply clicking on the link that has been sent to your email ID. Now set a 6-digit PIN code for your account and confirm the same. It is recommended that you set up biometric authentication at this step for a seamless login experience. If you wish to, you can skip this as well. Now if you have a referral code, you can simply click here and enter the referral code, or you can proceed with finishing the KYC and onboarding process. Now the next step is to upload your PAN card. PAN card is mandatory to open a Demat account, so you can either take a picture of your PAN card or upload it from your gallery. Now for your address proof, you can choose amongst the three options: Aadhaar, driving license or passport. Now go ahead and take a live selfie. You can also choose to upload a picture if you wish. Now the next step is to upload your signature. Now comes the account declaration step. In this, make sure that you choose your correct annual income, your correct profession and your correct trading experience. Ensure that you read all the declarations before you proceed ahead. For futures and options, you can upload your income proof, or you can also choose to do this at a later stage. For now, I will go ahead with activating my FNO later. Now comes the banking part. You can enter your IFSC code, or you can use the search option to search for it. We are verifying your account by sending 1 rupee into your bank account. Confirming your bank account details will actually match all the details with your PAN card details. With this, you have submitted all the necessary documents and now you may proceed ahead with the e-sign. On this page, enter your 10-digit Aadhaar card number and verify it with the OTP that has been sent to your mobile number. Your e-sign has been successfully completed. Now you may go ahead and set a password for your Dhan account. So the first step is go to your App Store or Play Store and download the Dhan app. After you've downloaded the Dhan app, follow the steps. You will be asked to enter your mobile number. And then you'll have to enter the OTP that has been sent to your registered mobile number. Now proceed to enter your email address, which you'll have to verify later on. A verification code has been sent to your email address, so you can either enter the same here in the box or you can directly verify using the link. Now you'll automatically be asked to set a PIN for your Dhan account. The next step is to set up the Face ID for Dhan. You can skip this for now and set it up later as well. Now as you can see, it takes less than 10 minutes to complete KYC on Dhan and the timer has already started. So let's finish our KYC and onboarding process. Simply tap on Finish KYC and onboarding process. And now you will be asked to upload your other details. So upload your PAN card by either clicking a picture or choosing the picture from your gallery. Agree to the terms and conditions and proceed ahead. The next step would be to click your live picture for verification. And then proceed to upload your signature. Most people choose to sign on the phone screen itself to fasten the process. Now comes the declaration for account step. Make sure that in the declarations, you choose the proper profession, trading experience and read all the terms and conditions. For futures and options, you can upload your income proof or you can also choose to set this up later. Now here comes the banking step. So you can either add your IFSC code or search for it using the search option. Now enter your bank account number to make sure that it's a savings account. Now we will verify your bank account details by sending 1 rupee into your account. This will verify your bank details and match them with the PAN card details. With this, you have submitted all the necessary documents and now you have been logged into your Dhan account. This marks the end of your account opening journey at Dhan. While you're creating your first watch list, we will quickly activate your Dhan account.